The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Ethereum against the US dollar with the ticker symbol ETH I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have Ethereum against the US dollar on the Coinbase exchange. If you guys like weekly Bitcoin analysis, I do have that for members only. So go ahead and click the link below in the video description and the comment section if you guys are interested in that. So here, let's take a look at Ethereum. Basically, it's uptrending just like Bitcoin. But this uptrend looks like it's coming to an end fairly shortly, and let's go over the reason why. So price action made a leg higher. Whenever the market is moving in a particular direction, it's probably going to make a measure move target, and you can see that this one is pretty much met. We exceeded it by a small amount before selling off sharply. You can see this entire up move, the sell-off happened sharply right at the measure move target. So again, these aren't random, these are good targets that the algorithms are programmed to reach. So you can clearly see that was working. So the target was hit, prices sold off. That doesn't mean we won't go higher, but that tells me that this level right here would be an area for traders to exit their positions and aggressive sellers to enter a short position. So basically the measure move was reached and prices were previously inside of this uptrend. Let's go and draw that right now. So you can see that connect the swings, fits pretty good against the lows, drag it up, fits pretty good against the highs, except you can see that prices just had an overshoot. It was finding resistance at this highs consistently, and then all of a sudden prices had an overshoot, which is a climactic point, which means that the uptrend could come to an end. So we had a climactic point, overshoot, measure movement, which can lead to a breakout on the opposite side of the channel. So that's why I'm expecting this down move to reach. I'm expecting price to continue pull back to probably the 1694 level, because this level was tested numerous times as resistance, and then it was only tested once as support. So this level right here looks like it likes to be tested multiple times. So there's a good chance that this pullback will probably lead to the high 1600s. If I zoom out further, you can see that prices made two large attempts higher. This was the first leg higher. Prices pulled back, and then this was the formation of the second attempt. After prices got back above the EMA and started trending up, you can see that this one was almost met too. So we pretty much had the measure moves met. We had an overshoot of a channel. This is all telling me that we're going to probably see a pullback, probably a breakout on this side of the channel. We'll have to wait and see if this channel support holds. It could, but since we had a breakout, there's a good chance it doesn't, and we see a breakout probably to reach this area right here on the chart, the 1430. So this could be a potential target if this drop continues to move towards this level right here, because this was the starting point of the up move, and this is a supply zone. We'll see if that gets tagged. But as of right now, that's everything I see on the daily chart. Basically, how I would be playing this is looking for a short position. We had a huge move down, expecting two small attempts to reverse. That fails to send prices down the same size as before. So that's how I would be looking at Ethereum as of right now. It looks weak. I think it's topped out, and I think it's going to be falling. But you just got to wait for the right setup. Now here's the weekly chart. Go ahead and zoom out, zoom in on the price action. Here's the weekly chart for Ethereum, and basically prices made two large legs up like I showed you guys on the daily. Here's one leg up, second leg up, got rejected. And why did it get rejected? Because it was trying to come back inside of this previous support. You can see that Ethereum broke this level in the past in 2021, made a triple bottom, led to a huge rally. Prices just shot right through it, and ever since then prices found resistance once, twice. So Ethereum's been trying to break this level 2 times, failed. If we get back below this EMA, that can lead to a lot of selling. I would watch out for that EMA, because there is a support that's being built 2 times already. So we could be supports again if we come back to that EMA, but if we break it, there's a good chance it comes back down all the way to the lows, because it looks like prices are kind of range bound, meaning it's trading sideways versus a particular direction. So basically we're at the highs of the range. It's not really confirmed because we only have one touch at the top, but the lows are confirmed. So we can hit from the highs. If we get through this EMA, I think we're going to reach the lows of the range at the 1070 level. So we'll see if that occurs. Again, these are all just attempts done by the market. Nothing is a guarantee. We did have this previous downtrend in play, so after a downtrend break, we can expect a couple attempts at a new low. Right now, we did not see that, so I'm expecting, a couple attempts at a new low. Just depends on what size the market wants to do at the end of the day. This up move possibly could not be over. If we just see a huge rally up, a couple attempts to not break this $2,000 level psychological number, then that could lead to a huge rally. So it just depends on what the market wants to do. We can either see a break of this level and 2 attempts that fail to break back below it, that leads to higher prices, or right now we just see the sell-off occur. So that's all I have for Ethereum against the US dollar. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.